Beautiful day to you, children. How are you today? Welcome to Divine Offspring International School virtual classroom on numeracy. And today we'll be looking at the topic fractions on a number line. Fractions on a number line. But before we proceed, let's check if you have these materials with you. Do you have your pencil, your ruler, your book, your eraser, and your brain? I need you to be mentally alert during this video lesson. Now, our activities in this lesson will be quiz to test your knowledge, star words, importance of fraction. I'll need you to show and identify fractions on a number line. We'll do some talk tasks, independent tasks, and review answers. Then final quiz to see what you have remembered. Now, the first quiz. What does equivalent mean? The word equivalent, what does it mean? Does it mean having the same value, different values, the top number in a fraction? Think. Number 2, 1/3 or 1/3 is equivalent to what? Is it 3/6, 3/4, 2/6? The third question, 4/8 is the same as, is it 1/8, 1/4, or 1/2? I'm giving you 20 seconds to give the answers. You can pause this video and quickly complete the quiz. I'm waiting. Tick tock. Okay, for the first question, what does the word equivalent mean? It simply means having the same value. Number 2, 1/3 or 1/3 is equivalent to what? 2/6. How did we get that? Just multiply 2 to 1, you get 2, isn't it? Multiply 2 to 3 as well, then you get 6, which gives 2/6. Then the third question, 4/8 is the same as 1/2. How did we get that? We simply divide both the numerator, which is the top number on the fraction, and the denominator by 4. So 4 divided by 4 gives 1. 8 divided by the same 4 gives what? 2. Now take note of these star words. The first one says numerator, denominator, a whole, and location. Quickly take note of these words, then you can look them up in the dictionary. Quickly. Okay, importance of fractions. You may be wondering, why are we even learning about fractions? Of what use is learning about fractions to us? Did you know that fractions are important in everyday life? Because they tell you what portion of a whole you need, have, or want. Fractions are used in baking to tell how much of an ingredient to use. Fractions are also used in telling time, because each minute is a fraction of the hour. Each second is a fraction of the minute, isn't it? Okay, now we're moving straight to fractions on a number line. First of all, what is a number line? What is a number line? A number line is a straight line with numbers placed at intervals or segments along its length. It's simply a line you draw and divide into different parts. Now, steps to take for fraction on a number line. The first thing to do to find the fraction on a number line for 2/3 is to draw your line. The first step is to what? Draw your line. Then after you draw your line, the first point here is 0. Your starting point is 0 because every positive number starts with 0, from 0 to 1. Now, after writing your 0 and 1, go and check your denominator. Now, what's the denominator? Is it 2 or 5? 2 or 5? It's 5. So we'll divide this line into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. Since we want 5 parts, we need only 4 strokes at the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, which gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Now we have 5 parts. Now these 5 parts represent, the first part is what? 1/5. Second part is what? 2/5, since our denominator here is 5. The third part, 3/5. The fourth part, 4/5. Then the fifth part is 5/5, which means what? 1 whole. Now this line represents 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5, which is 1 whole. 1 whole. Now, where is 2/5? We go over here. This is our 2/5. Very good. Now, the next example, we have 5/8. First step is draw your line. Where do we start from to number? Do you remember? Point 0, from 0 to 1. Then how many lines do we draw? We draw 8. We need 8 different parts, so we need 7 lines at the middle. Don't forget, we need 8 equal parts, so we need 7 lines at the middle. Okay, so we have 8 parts. We have 8 parts, which is 1/8 or 1/8 up to 8/8. Now let's name the lines. We have 1/8 or 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which is what? 1 whole. Now, where is 5/8? Let's look for 5/8 now. Over here. Wow. That's simple, right? Okay. Now the next thing we want to do is a talk task. You'll do this for me while we explain together. Is that okay? We have 4/5. Now the first thing is what? Draw your line. Have you drawn your line? Quickly, you can pause the video. Draw your line. Write your what? 0. Your starting point is always 0. And the next step is what? I can't hear you. 1. Very good. Now what do you look out for next? The next thing to look out for is what? Your Denominator or numerator? Which of them? Denominator. So since our denominator is 5, we need how many different parts on this line? We need 5 parts. So we'll just draw 4 lines and we need 5 different parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, 5 over 5. Now at this point we have what? 1 over 5. This point represents 2 over 5. This point is what? 3 over 5. And this point 4 over 5. And then 5 over 5, which represents 1 whole. Do not forget, when your numerator and denominator are the same, it represents 1 whole. Let's take one more. Okay, before we take one more example, our 4 over 5 is over here. Very simple. Now let's do this independent task. You do this on your own. Do this on your own quickly and send to the portal. Good luck. You can actually pause this video, and when you're done, you play it back. Now finally, let's see if you remembered what you've learned. Number 1, our final quiz here. Number 1, why are fractions important to everyday life? You remember we discussed about why fractions are important to our everyday life. Do you remember? Please write that down quickly. Number 2, give 2 importance of fractions. 2 importance of fractions. Then number 3, use your pencil and ruler to represent the following fractions with a number line. The first is 2 over 5 and the second is 5 over 8. Do that quickly and send to the portal. You can pause this video, and when you're done, you play to continue. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It was nice having you watching this video. Thanks for staying with us. See you next time. Bye.